Hello everyone, I am here to demonstrate my project Autonomous SOC Orchestration Platform, which I have been recently working on. So basically this platform is something like SOC engine which is in an automated way. So here I have been running this project locally right now. So you can see the front end part of this, and right now it has backend part and the front end part. Backend has the internal logic of what the automation is being and what all things it will be looking at, and like deep search and all this. And we have logs here, and logs have like when you run it you will get an AI analyst, so we'll look further. Wait. So right now these are the logics behind it, and you can clearly see that every logs have been placed here manually just for the initial start. And this is the front end part. We use like this, this is the the working principles we use, and we call LLM based. And here we use Elastic Cloud, which is a cloud provider. We use its AI pattern, and I've been recorded everything perfectly into a readme file where you can easily clone this. And by the way, this is an open source project. I've been working on this since I wanted to publish it as an open source. And our main.py has this backend part, and when you run it we use fast API to orchestrate this. And when get a incidents is executed, we get the curl procedure, like we get the JSON file where all the incidents are been recorded. Every logs have been recorded, and we use this orchestration to automatically generate logs and identify logs for 10 seconds every 10 seconds. You can see that the risk score of that log, and this is incidents just a JSON format. When you call this, you can get it in our front end part. I will clearly explain this. And here you can see this is the total incidents as of now. Every 10 seconds we get one instance. And this part is like we use this ngrok for the ngrok is an localhost. Ngrok is an localhost execution part where you can just pull the request of other what do you say the internal workings. So right now you can see half a minute ago, you can every 1 minute you can see incident being recorded. So right here this is two minutes back, and this is half a minute back. We'll wait and look for that too. So you can clearly understand that you can clearly understand every minute we get each log analyzed. So right now the log is duplicate. On our logic it says that the duplicated logs within our 10 minutes is the same user. The AI just uh, analyzes the same thing again and again within 10 minutes. So we just had this logic. And right now so let's wait for one minute. Yeah, you can see now we got this new log recorded. And right now by looking at the log, it is clearly shown that it is a critical log right now. We got this, and see, we can clearly identify each and every minute we get a log recorded. So right now its risk score is 95, which is so high. We have to take a look at this because its severity is also critical. So the detection high, and it is it is something summary which is made by AI. We just called it from Elastic Cloud AI service, and this is our Cloud platform where we just orchestrated, and our developer tool. We have three sections, like obviously we have this post, get, and put section, where post section is used for posting a log. When we have a log, we just wanted to post it to our like you mean the cloud, and just wanted to demonstrate with our project, we just put it in the post cloud, and right now we are doing it. Note down, our source IP is 10.10.10.10. So we have this post, which is our incident. We are manually injecting it right now. So it's when we inject it, we get this incident search, where you can clearly see that there is some total incidence of 1, and which is a failed incidence, by the way. You can see, like uh, so you can see this incident not found, like it is an your ID, where like every incident has an unique ID which represent the incidents, what do you call, incidents position or something like that. Every time when incident is being called or mentioned, it is definitely mentioned with its ID number, like ID, I mean ID thing. Also the when I said we insert that the source IP with 10.10.10.10, right? You can see here clearly that it has the source IP of 10.10.10. That means the the incident we posted is something we got back. Yeah, now we are moving on to our front end part, which is our project front end, where every incidents are being recorded here. You can see as of now, as I from the start of this project, when I started this backend and all these fast API things, these incidents start recording. So as of now, there is about 44 recordings, and every minute we get one extra recording. So every recording has our project focus on this is our project statement, by the way. Right now, every recordings are not just a recording, we have an unique and particular like analysis of the recordings. Each and every recording says that it is critical because of its critical value is more than 70. That is our logic, by the way. Every SOC automation SOC teams look for the commands which has more than 70% of critical range. This actually can help a mid-level SOC team to analyze a little easier. It makes the things easier more. And as I said, so we have the unique ID. You can see that, and we'll move on to the exact part where we wanted to see. This is our front end, like you can also see the date and time, so it is easy for when it is in a large scale, it is hard to track the logs when it is in, and when it becomes hard, like it is hard. So at that time we just wanted to record this thing perfectly for the future users also. So our logic is being executed here. So every information we wanted is being arranged in a way like it is easy to analyze just by looking at it. But in manual way, it is usually it is hard to just hard for SOC team to just look at the So um, we have multiple filter options also, where you can as I said, it is hard, right, when you have lots of logs recorded. So you just have this filter record, like if you have an incident in a doubted way, you can just filter it and again you can investigate and resolve it. So as of now we just got 44. These are all are critical, because I've chosen the critical logs for the analysis, because it makes the demonstration even more better, right? These are the options. Yeah, when it comes to incidents, we have the same thing. Yeah, this is a matrix, like it is the entire part which where you can just see the health of the SOC, I mean SOC engine. Like you can see the entire security health here. Right now we have 20, and we have started investigating, which you saw before, like when I started investigating 8. Like when you just resolve something, like resolve the after investigation, when you resolve the issue, it automatically get increased to 1, where you just increase like resolve number of resolved incidents. So manual trigger is something where every time at the start of a project, just it is not always you have to wait for 10, I mean more than 10 minutes for one incident to be recorded, right? So if you have some previously recorded logs also, it is easy to, if you want to run those kind of previous logs and look for the investigation and resolve it, you can just have the logs, you can download it, and you can like upload the logs here and just do the same orchestration we done before, right? So I manually arranged a trigger option where you can do this thing. So yeah, engine executed, like incident already exists, so we can't do that because we recorded 44 before, right? So that is the latest refresh we get. Yeah, right now we are looking at this ngrok. We got the last a minute back. Yeah, right now we are going to see this start deep investigation, which is our core working of our project. Right now this method is being like discussed and not yet purely developed. We have made some most out of it. Like right now on my project, you can just um, take a log, investigate it, and along with the previous investigation, you can just record the investigation, what you have, what all the details you have, and like you can just record and you can just paste it here, so that it works like we have the Elastic cloud working on there with our LLM, where it takes all the command we give, and it has the brain. We have the brain, right? It the brain processes the things we have right now, and it gives a deep investigation report after a while. Like when you just have this um, like when you just record this investigation, you will get the deep investigation record. So as of now, the we don't have the perfect record of like previous record of these logs. These logs are actually taken from an open source platform. So right now we don't have the exact what do you call, the recordings of it. So we can't go ahead with this procedure right now, but it works. Believe me, it works. We have the backend clear for it, so there is no objection that it won't works. The brain is so clear for it. So the brain of the system is nothing but the investigating part, where you get, like, you can right now you can see, right, when the investigation is made, the deep investigation findings are is the part where we worked on. So right now we don't have it because we don't have the previous data. So when you just give the previous data, you will get the attack path analysis. You'll get all these three segments, where you just it will just give you a report, clear report, and what all can be done to overcome this risk. That's what it's gonna suggest. It is gonna be perfect, by the way. So as of now, we are using Gemini model, the latest one, which works really great with reasoning way. Like, it just goes through this security analysis part also. In future purpose, we'll just upgrade with this Claude. Claude have released some released some security related LLMs, and also we'll upgrade through it.